What's going on? So what's the best crypto platform in Canada? So this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. Now if you're in Canada and you want to start trading crypto, the best place to start is with a platform that's safe and easy to use. And now one great option is crypto.com. It helps you buy, sell, and store all your crypto in one place. That's what I do, and I'm in Canada. Look at the snow. Now, step one. First, you got to sign up for an account on crypto.com. It's simple and you can use it on your phone. You'll be able to buy popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum with just a few clicks. You could buy Solana, Polkadot, you could buy SHIB, you could buy all kinds of stuff. So after signing up, take the time, this is step two. Take the time to explore the different coins available, okay? Start by learning about Bitcoin as it is one of the most trusted. Then you could explore other coins that might interest you. Crypto.com makes it easy to find information on all of them, okay? Step three, start with a small amount of money. You don't have to spend a lot at first. Take your time to learn how things work first. Watch the prices and pay attention to the market. As you get more experience, you can try buying and selling more. If you try to rush it to try to make money quick, you're going to lose money. You got to stop doing that, okay? You're probably going to lose money. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link below in the description because we could both get rewarded in very nice ways.